Bakla! Bakla! Walang kwenta! Mabigat! Ba't di ka na lang maging normal? Nakakaya ka! Baliw!
Uy, bakla! Napangungot ka ba?
Abot na naman siguro yan sa past mo, no?
Oo mga Bin. Di ko alam. Kahit sa panaginip ko, hindi nila ako tinatantanan.
Hoy, alam mo, tara na, uwian na. Tsaka wag mo nang isipin yun. Ang importante, dito kami mga kaibigan mo. Tsaka gagana pa tayo, oh.
May plano ba?
Oo, tara na.
Isa mo! Pag-imagine!
Sino ang magkakayang mawawala? Sino ang maglalahat kung sino ako? Bakit hindi alam kung bakit lagi sa online lumalapit kahit hindi ako ito ng tunay? Sino ang pinagmula ng aking pagngiti? Sino ang nangagaw ng aking sandali? Bakit hindi alam kung bakit lagi sa online lumalapit kahit minsan ako'y nagkulang? Patuloy kong hahanapin kahulugan ng sarili, at habang buhay bang mag-iisa? Sino ang karapat-dapat kong mahalin? Sino ang pagtutuunan ko ng pansin? Bakit hindi alam kung bakit lagi sa online kumakapit kahit minsan ako'y nagkulang? Patuloy kong hanapin kahulugan ng sarili, at habang buhay bang mag-iisa? Magkaibigan magsama sa isang panaginip, at habang buhay bang mag-iisa? Sino ang karapat-dapat na mahalin? Sino ang pagtutuunan ko ng pansin? Bakit hindi alam kung bakit lagi sa online kumakapit kahit minsan ako'y nagkulang? Sino? 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 Sino?
Our remake of the song Sino by Unique Salonga tackles the issue of losing one's sense of identity in a time where the digital and physical world often blur the line between what is real and what is fake. The song questions the singer's own sense of self, repeatedly asking, Sino ba talaga ako? It reflects both self-destruction and self-construction, emphasizing the search for true happiness and love that exists with loved ones beside you, rather than seeking validation online. Chasing digital validation can lead to losing sight of what truly matters and who one really is as a person. Furthermore, the song follows a story of someone who slowly loses themselves while craving love that has already been there all along. It shows how the internet can be used as a form of escape and a place to pretend in exchange for attention or fame. Ultimately, the song raises the question of which part of oneself should be cherished more, the carefully curated digital persona or the real unfiltered self. A healthy digital presence is a conscious balance between being online and being true to who you are offline. By setting boundaries on validation, protecting privacy, limiting screen time, and engaging in positive and honest interactions, individuals can use social media as a tool for connection, rather than being a source of pressure, helping to protect their mental well-being and sense of identity.